Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is beef stew with potatoes Cantonese style. It's rich, it is flavorful, it is thick, perfect with rice and noodles. Let's cook together. Let's start the preparation. We have the beef chunk here, cut into big cubes. I want to make it very dry so that it can a nice sear later. That's why I put into a colander to drain dry. Cut the potato to about the same size of the beef. Earlier, I have also cut the carrots and also the onion about the same size of the potatoes, so they are big enough to hold up in the stew. I've also cut the aromatics ingredients earlier, the slices of ginger, white section of the spring onion, and also cloves of garlic. Heat some oil in the pan, wait until it is nice and hot. Sear the beef in a hot pan. Do it by batches, don't overcrowd it. Just like this. Sear the beef on both sides until it is dark brown on both sides. And that's where the flavor comes from. Look at the seared beef. And do not wash the pan because all these brown bits are flavors. In the same pan, saute the ginger, garlic, and scallion. Now it's very flavorful. So now it's done. Return the beef back to the pan. Let's season the beef. Now we need to use a range of Cantonese seasoning ingredients like soy sauce, oyster sauce, Chu Hou sauce, some wine. I also would like to add some tomato paste and then salt, pepper, and sugar. This is called Chu Hou sauce. If you have difficulty to get this, you can substitute it with hoisin sauce plus a slightly more sugar. And followed by some wine, tomato paste, salt, some sugar, and we can adjust the salt and sugar again afterwards, and also some ground white pepper. Time to braise the beef. Let's add some water, bring it to a gentle boil. Then lower the heat and then cover it partially and let it simmer. How long it takes, it really depends on the size of the beef cubes and also the quality of the beef. And from time to time, I will open it and check and make sure that it will not dry out. We have cooked the beef for about 2.5 hours. Let's see whether it is already soft enough. Okay, it is already soft enough, it's tender. So now it's time for us to add the vegetables. The vegetables will absorb all the rich gravy. Add more water to simmer the vegetables. Cook until the vegetables are soft but still hold up their shape. I've cooked the beef with the vegetable for another 30 minutes. Let's check it out. The potato is already tender. Carrot is already tender. So the sauce is thick enough, is unable to stick onto the back and the front of the metal spoon. Tried it. Very flavorful. Don't have to add anything. That is our beef stew with potatoes. You can serve it as it is or on top of noodles or rice. The beef is tender, the vegetable is sweet, and the best of all, the gravy is full of flavor when it's mixed with the rice. And I've included the recipe in the description below the video and also at the end of this video for reference. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.